What's going on, guys? Nimbus here, and in this video I'm going to be telling you a little bit about Wasteland and really what you need to know whenever you join a Wasteland server. Now, Wasteland is basically a team versus team game mode in Arma. It's a mod, but you don't need to download any kind of files or anything like that. All you got to do is find a Wasteland server, join it, and you're good to go. Alright, when you join a Wasteland server, you'll come up to the lobby, and you have three teams to choose from: Blue 4, Ot 4, or Independent. Blue 4 and Ot 4, you have teammates with you, you got guys working with you. Your main objective really is to build up your base, get good gear, do missions, and really fight off the other team, essentially. But if you do go Independent, which is really cool, you are against everybody else. It is you against the world, really, including other Independents. Essentially, you are just a bandit, and you are there to wreck everybody else's day. Really, Independent, you wouldn't really so much as focus on building a huge base like the other two teams. You're just there to blow stuff up, pretty much. But for the sake of this, we'll just go ahead and be Op 4, and as soon as you select the team, you'll come up to the class selection here. You can either be a Saboteur, Medic, or a Sniper. Saboteur is essentially the engineer class. You can repair vehicles, get them up and running. You can't fully repair them, but you just get them moving again. Medic, heal other guys. Sniper, no really cool perk about them other than you do get a ghillie suit, which is pretty cool anyways. Officer and all that, AT specialists, you don't really need to worry about those. There's no really thing about them, but let's go ahead and get into it. I'll go ahead and be an engineer, and let's do this. Alright, once you get into the game, you'll come to your respawn menu, and really you'll see towns and beacons. The thing about towns, if you have teammates in like other towns and whatnot, the town name will show up here and other ones too. And essentially you click on it, you spawn in that town. Beacons, your teammates can get spawn beacons, click on it, and that's where you'll spawn. But since we have nobody else with us, we gotta go ahead and choose random. And you get into the game. I'm in Vibor, and you'll get the little splash type of screen there. Don't really worry about it, it'll go away after a while. But already we have a car right here with us. That is the most important thing you want to look for as soon as you spawn. Definitely find a car and get your bearings, really. But right off the bat, let's go ahead and show up the player menu here. All you got to do is scroll wheel, and you'll see it there, player menu, middle mouse click. Okay, and here it'll show your water level, your food level, and your cash. Your cash can be used to purchase items at gun shops and general stores and whatnot, and you can only get cash by off of other dead players. So kill other guys, get more cash, get really cool guns at the gun store. And then you also have your canned food, your water, and since I am an engineer, I do spawn with a fuel can. Some servers allow you to spawn it with full, some empty. I'm sorry, but yeah. And then you can select your view range too, insane far. We'll go ahead and keep this on near. But that's essentially the player menu. That's really all there is to it. Alright, and we do have a car here, and usually the cars will always have something in it. So look in it, and boom, already have an L85. And there it is. Alright. And as soon as you come up to a car, you'll see these two cool options here. You can either view the vehicle content, and as you can see, this car has 10 slots. What it is really is structures like that over there, that bunker, will essentially take up slots in a vehicle, and they'll be showing up here when you load it in. So let's go ahead and get into the car and get to that bunker over there. And this car is okay, we made it to the bunker. Let's get out of the car. And you'll be seeing structures like this all over the world in some really odd places. They are structures that you can actually go up to, and you can put them in vehicles and put them anywhere you want on the map itself, and just really build a base wherever you want. That's the whole deal with Wasteland. You want to build up a base, get some cool stuff, do missions, and just be awesome, really. But As you'll see, you'll get 3 options, including lock this object. I'll explain this already. Essentially, move this object, you get it, and here you can move it anywhere you want to. And as you're doing this, you can only shift walk. Let's see if I just tried to run there, and it tells you to hold down shift. Essentially, why they do that is just for safety reasons. While you have a structure like this, if you move it around a lot and stuff, you can kill and team kill your other buddies. So that's the reason they have it. When you have it like this, you can rotate it any direction, really, well, sort of. But we'll go ahead and release it. And then tow to a vehicle I wouldn't recommend it, but you can actually tow this entire structure on the back of the car. But we won't do that. Load in. When you select load in, it will show up right there on the bottom left. Select the vehicle or whatever to load the object in. We go up to our car here, and we will load the selected object in this vehicle. And boom, there it is. And we view the vehicle content, bunker, and there it is. It takes up 8 slots. And then essentially you drive wherever you want to go. You go up to your vehicle, view vehicle content, select the bunker, unload. We'll be getting it out, and boom, there it is. Also, be very careful when you do that. There is a pretty high chance you might just kill somebody doing that. But we'll go ahead and release that. And that's just basically the essential of getting a base together and collect. That's pretty much how you collect things. But let's go around and see if we can find another vehicle around here somewhere. Okay, I found an ATV and I towed our crappy green car to it. It's really easy to tow. All you gotta do is go up to the vehicle. It'll say tow to an object. You go up to the vehicle that you're driving in, you tow it on there. Pretty easy, but very dangerous. Next thing I'm gonna explain is the map here. And you're gonna see a bunch of weird circles and these red crosses here. Like I was saying earlier, if your teammates are in towns, if they get into kind of this influence here of the town, it'll show up and you'll be able to spawn in there. Also, a really important thing to notice is the color of the circles. If they're blue, I believe, it's friendlies, I think, that are in there. Or it'll tell you if you have friendly players in the town. But it'll also tell you if there are enemy players in the town. So keep watch on the circles, and you'll know where the enemies are at. You'll know where your buddies are. And also, if you are in a town, it will show you on the top right-hand corner here that there is an enemy player that entered the town, just to give you a heads up. You'll also see the general stores and the gun stores, like I was talking about, where you can use your cash to buy certain things. But every now and then, an objective will come up on the top right-hand corner, telling you about a vehicle that is there or some supplies, and they'll show up here as these red crosses. They are missions. And once you go up to them, they're actually going to be a computer AI there guarding whatever that objective is. And they'll always be something good, really. Guns, ammo, and really awesome vehicles most of the time. But we are really far from that. And basically when you get there, you just fight the NPCs. They can be really, really tough, so definitely be careful when you are fighting them. You do not want to take them on alone. They are extremely tough sometimes. But that's pretty much the bare essentials that you need to know about Wasteland mod and whatnot. You get your bases together and you just really go at it. It's really cool, really fun with a lot of people, lots of stuff to do, and it's just a whole lot of fun. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just post them below. Be free to answer them. I don't know a whole lot about the game yet. I just started playing it myself. But it's really fun. It's really easy to get the hang of. All you gotta have is just somebody show you the ropes. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
God damn it. Okay, no, we can't. Or, yeah, actually, let's do that. Because I'll untow this and I'll drive. Holy shit. Run, run, run!